Hello, everyone. Let's see, where are we? Oh, we're doing number 4. Again, in case you're watching this for the first time, this is the textbook we're using right here. And again, I will leave the link to it below. However, I don't want people to be confused or have any suspicions. I am not getting any commission from this website I'll be asking you guys to fetch this textbook from. Again, you can go wherever you want. You can fetch this textbook wherever you like if you want to, as long as you have it. That's what I want. Up to now we did the first 3, and right now we've got to work on the 4th one. We've got to write a program that computes and prints the results of. You see, you guys, basically what you do need when it comes to expressions, all these complex computations. Excuse me. One thing I will strongly suggest you do is to make sure that you don't forget to use parentheses. That's all. That's the only thing I'll tell you guys. Okay, so let's see. What we want right now is to play around with our variables. So I'll simply create a variable called numerator, which will hold the numerator part of our expression. So we've got 512 minus 282. Am I right? Of course I am. And in the numerator, in the denominator, which I'm not sure if I spelled correctly, doesn't matter anyways. People shouldn't miss the point here. Okay. So it's 47 multiplied by 48 minus, oh, is it a plus? It is a plus 5. Okay, so what we want is, we want to go print numerator divided by denominator. Now let's save that. This is number 4. Oops, you see this number is this number here. It's just that they rounded it off to 4 decimal places, which is the 4 digits after. Decimal point. Okay, so this should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Stay tuned for my next solution on the very same exercise, just that I'll be using a different approach. An approach which is more preferred than this one here, and I'll tell you the reason once we get to it. In the meantime, I'm gone.